चल चलते हैं बाहर. So I'm gonna give you a quick intro. What is this bit? Okay, so this video is going to be really special. So this video is getting to know each other, and we're gonna ask each other 10 questions. 10 questions are more than enough. 10 questions, and we have to answer like who knows each other the best. And even if I answer the correct question, the opposite person should be honest enough and they should agree that the opposite person has given the correct answer. We're going to show the questions to you in front of the camera, and then we'll read out the questions कि क्या question है. पूछ रही नेशनल क्वेश्चन चाहे इंटरनेशनल. करंट अफेयर्स पूछ ले.
नहीं आता, इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है. मास्टर है मास्टर.
And oh my god, तुम जो steps बिना देखे मुझे करने में मुझे डर लगता है. I'm gonna ask questions which is related to me, and Nikita has to answer that how well she knows me.
What?
Is the correct answer or not? और हम उसका आंसर भी हम दे देंगे.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I just hope कि हम लोग यहाँ पे नीचे बैठ तो जाएंगे, बट सडन से वो स्प्रिंकलर्स शुरू ना हो जाए, पूरा पैन गीला हो जाएगा. राइट? शेड है, कोई डिस्टर्बेंस भी नहीं होगा. So we can keep a camera somewhere and have a look. You want to sit there? What are your views?
You don't know about me. So due to this questions you'll realize that how much you know.
थोड़े questions भी नहीं रही है. बोल रही है उसको मेरे पे बिल्कुल भी भरोसा नहीं है. दोस्ती भाई दोस्ती. अब मैं तो एक्चुअली पढ़ रही है यार, मतलब ऐसा क्या questions पूछने वाली. मेरे को तो पता है जब actually when we thought of framing each other questions, I was actually wondering कि मैं क्या questions पूछूँ, क्योंकि initially I asked few questions, she answered it. So those are very common questions. I did not wanted to ask the same, so I wanted to change a bit. So let's see. Okay. मैम जंग पे जा रही है. मैम is going on an all-out war. Video shouldn't last. So I'm gonna start. No. पहले मेरा बुक करना चाहिए ना, so I'm gonna start. हमने actually नोटपैड पे हमने नोट्स क्वेश्चंस लिख के रखा है ताकि we don't forget our questions.
And we don't know each other's. Yeah, and we don't know each other's questions as well. So जो भी question होगा, it's going to be completely unknown, only known to you, camera. Just
Gita is not at all participating in the video, guys. Ask her to cheer up a bit.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
क्या? क्या बोला तूने?
Okay, and then yeah. First question. When did we first time, I mean you and me, went out around the college itself?
When we met in the starting, the next day we went for parcel.
Really?
You showed me the college.
Yes, that's true. What? You threw?
What?
अच्छा, okay. I thought मेरे में पानी फेंकेगी.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. Yeah.
What's my dream date idea?
Are you serious?
Taking you out with and surprising you with a lot of flowers and taking on a bike ride.
What?
Dream date. Darkness, what we have. Steadiness. What date we will have. In the dark, there will only be the light, only light.
Candlelight dinner.
Oh.
You like candlelight dinners? Okay.
అందుకే రెండు మైకులు కొనాలి.
What is that one food which I can eat 365 days and you know it really well?
इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह आता है. मास्टर.
Salad. Dal, sambar, more specific. You're correct. But choose. Pappu, charu. Only charu. With rice and
Yes, only rasam rice.
okay, rasam rice.
Yeah, only rasam rice. I can eat 365 days.
But we eat pappu and charu mix.
My amma will answer really well. ಅಮ್ಮ ಸಾರನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಸಾರನ್ನ 365 ಡೇಸ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Oh, snap.
Name my +2 friends who are close to me until now.
Really?
That's it.
नहीं जब था.
Not that one.
Okay, Shrija. You got 2 Shrijas, and there's one a wrestler girl,
Yeah.
and Shravani.
No. Shahan is my bachelor's friend, bro. She likes
Akshaya.
and another one.
Akshaya. Sandy. Yes. मुझे Nandy आ रहा था. What is that one behavior which I hate if anyone does to me? One behavior. That's not character. I'm talking about a behavior. Like,
Throwing food on you.
anything that
Throwing food on her. Because I did.
it's not food, can be anything like money or saman ho. If someone brings that for me as a gift and out of anger they throw it on my face ki just le as a beggar, so I can't accept that thing and I'll just go throw it in the dustbin.
Okay. Who is my celebrity crush? In Thailand or in India?
In Thailand का मुझे नहीं पता because I'm India में you have
Starts with A.
Alia Bhatt.
And my Thai famous actor is, like, my favorite actor is Brighton Win. ने ఏమన్నా చెప్తున్నాను more than enough half answer for you.
Sorry. Okay. The next question. By what age I want to be super rich? I'm a greedy cat, kitten, whatever.
Maybe 25 to 30.
Age. 26. You are correct.
26. 25. Well, first year చెప్పిన what's my favorite show or like movie? What's my favorite movie?
Indian or it's not Indian? Then Thailand, Korean ka to I don't follow at all.
Are you serious?
But there's one movie ka incident where those people sit in a car and the car door opens.
Technologia.
That's a funny incident. Was that it? No, I don't know movie.
Mouse. Inspector Ko.
Oh no, other
One is
movie?
male based, one is female based.
What is the story about? I never watched it. One thing I fear the most. मतलब मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा डर मुझे लगता है कि
Losing, like,
can't answer this. Come.
it's like if I don't have money, I'll be the beggar or something related.
Overall.
That is one part, okay?
हाँ, so that is one part. Okay, वो पूरे उसमें से वो एक main part है, but overall
Maybe you will be like unsuccessful some other day. So that's your fear.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
my biggest fear in life is fear of being average and settling for something but lower than that. So that's my biggest fear. That's my biggest fear because I have very less time and I have not achieved anything till now.
My
So
answer is similar.
so that's what I tell you. I told it's the main part.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back. हमने लिया था एक छोटा सा break and news channel is returning again. Okay, so there are few questions जो निकिता आंसर नहीं कर पाई थी, तो मैं वो questions फिर से पूछूंगी. Question. Okay. अगर तेरा टाइम होगा तो मैं वो edit कर दूंगी. Fine.
जुड़ो.
तो I will put yours पहले. Okay. So there's one movie which I love. Okay, which I actually took inspiration from and I am implementing it for my YouTube as well. 2007 or 8. It's a Hindi movie. It's a very hit movie.
I born in 2006.
विलेंस के पीछे भागो, सक्सेस झक मार के पीछे आएगी.
घंटी का पूर्ण इस्तेमाल कोई इनसे सीखे.
3 Idiots.
अच्छा.
बीच वर्क. अब बहुत ज्ञान हुआ, अब माता श्री की बारी.
Which city was I born in?
नागपुर.
No.
Even
I was born in Telangana.
Mancherial.
City. No. City.
Oh.
Siddipet is not a. It's Ramakrishnapur.
That one incident in childhood which you can never imagine you doing it. मैंने वो किया था when I was in first grade.
Running out from home. Huh? Running out from home and going somewhere.
What?
Watch.
What's something I really passionate about?
Designing.
Be specific.
Canvas paintings. Trendy and Indian attire वो एक है. Sketching. I mean Western and Indian mix. Sketching.
Yeah.
Sketching. Yeah.
That's
अबे और art के detail में I don't have an idea. My mom has a lot of idea. Okay. What is that one habit you like in me the most? One answer you have answered previously. Uska that is related to that. Tell me, what is that one thing? What is that like one behavior or two things which you love the most in me?
ఒకదానికే సిక్కే ఉంటా లైక్ అది కావాలి అంటే
मस्त जोक मारा.
you will stick to the thing that what you want.
Yes.
And other thing is previous one, right?
Previous one. अरे answer. That
Okay.
is, हाँ.
Okay.
But yeah, tell me. You the second one.
What I like, no? Now, the second one.
Second one, what I like.
You like.
Okay.
In you.
I mean, what you like in me.
That's the thing I'm asking. It's like the thing is when she get angry, she cries. I like that thing. she becomes like a tomato and she's like उसको गाली देती. Okay. Wait. Name my close friend of my school. Come on, you can see now. I showed her photo. She's a Muslim.
Yasmin.
Yeah. Who gives the name Yashasvi?
अरे
Muslim.
YouTube मेरा सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ा दे. Beep. No. Beep क्यों? YouTube को तो जानना पड़ेगा ना. कैमरा माइक ऑन नहीं किया. So that is it guys. We have asked few 10 questions एक दूसरे को और अभी आप बताना कि स्कोर कितना हुआ. Who won? हमें तो पता नहीं है. While editing मैंने भी आंसर किया. While editing we will get to know who won and
I won.
नहीं भी हुआ तो मैं वो वीडियो से काट दूंगी and I will jam the winner. So अभी here comes to an end and वैसे तो मैं कॉलेज छोड़ के जा रही हूँ. मेरा पढ़ने को उम्र हो गया है. So इसीलिए this is one of the last videos we're having. See you in the next video in getting to know each other. आपके कुछ टिप्पणी देनी है वीडियो में?
తెలుసుకో నా గురించి ఇంకెక్కువ. Know about me more.
పట్టించుకుంటా.
ఇది ఎట్లుంది తెలుసా? సబ్టైటిల్ ఇస్తున్నా ఎవరి దానికి తెలుగులో మాట్లాడడానికి.
आज से मैं उसको बहुत बहुत भाव दूंगी. That's what I've decided. देना चाहिए. Bye.